visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tignan natin kung anong nangyayari sa paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. And gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na kung kailan nyo ito napanood, whether kakapost lang nito or isang linggo na or isang buwan na, it doesn't matter because this is a timeless reading. So, believe in the synchronicities, no? The message is meant to find you. Magsimula na tayo. Tight ass. So, lose that fuck up. Control freaks. Don't get laid. So, parang sinasabi dito ni universe na masyado naman tayong, again, it could be your person din, no? You can interchange the roles, no? What I'm reading here is the dynamic naman. Pwedeng sabihin natin na someone here is very controlling, no? So parang naiinis na, nagagalit na, nabibuisit na, no? Dahil parang feeling nitong isa is more of nasasakal ako. Wala na ba akong buhay? Wala na ba akong sarili kong pag-iisip, no? So someone here feels like very demanding, commanding, no? Sumisikip ang mundo, no, nitong person na ito. Siguro nagrereklamo, whether this is in verbal form, pwede naman ding reklamo through actions, hindi nagsasalita pero may pagdadabog, no? So, yung isa, parang feeling natin, is thinking, tama lang naman yung ginagawa ko, no? Para sa'yo din naman to. Yung isa naman, mas marunong ka pa sa'kin, no? Yung isa naman, masyado mo kong inaalisan ng kalayaan. So, ito ang nagiging issue natin. With the Six of Swords. So, parang feeling natin hindi ito nagsasalita. So, nandito siya sa part na parang feeling ko gumaganti siya in a way sa paraan na iba. Hindi man ako nagsasalita pero inaasar kita. Kung meron kang request, hindi ko talaga ginagawa intentionally, no? Kung meron kang mga bagay na sabihin natin, let's say, sunduin mo ko, or ihatid mo ko, or bayaran mo to, or hugasan mo yan, literally, no? Hindi ko gagawin. That's my form of rebellion. That's my form of saying, fuck you, no? Saying, ito lang yung way ko, no? Or ito ang aking paraan to express na kahit dito man lang, no? Hindi kita masunod, na meron akong sarili kong pag-iisip. Dito man lang ako yung masusunod. With the Eight of Wands, especially kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng, let's say, time frame ng conversation. Pwedeng dati ang routine natin is every, let's say, kunyari lang naman to, every 5 ng hapon or every 7 ng gabi, nag-uusap na tayo hanggang makatulog na tayo noon. So that was our routine for quite a while. So parang sinasabi dito na yung isa siguro nakaisip ng wala naman ako walang nagagawa, no? Yung sayang yung oras, pwede pa akong marami pa akong pwedeng gawin. And then merong mga time siguro nagsasabi na hindi pa ako may gagawin ako, no? So may magagalit. So parang sandali, nasasakal ako kasi hindi naman hindi naman dapat palagi ganito yung nangyayari. Hindi dapat palagi. Parang wala naman na tayong napag-uusapan. I feel like the conversation, no, in here is becoming a little redundant. Minsan hindi na nga kayo nag-uusap, nagtititigan na lang. Wala nang topic. So parang sa kanya, wala naman na tayong pinag-uusapan eh. Patayin na natin, no, maglilinis ako, maglalaba ako, or hayaan mo naman ako makapaglaro. Yung parang ganyan. Eh, nagagalit. So, eto na, dito dumadating yung naiirita. Hindi ko man nasasabi, hindi ko man na-express, no, nagalit ako, na nabibwisit ako, pero doon to nagsisimula. With the Eight of Swords, that makes sense. So, Eight of Swords, ito yung parang hindi ako makakilos, maliit ang mundo, halos hindi ako pwedeng makanood ng anong gusto ko, ikaw ang nasusunod, no? So, I feel like nagkakaroon dito talaga ng retaliation with the Eight of Swords. Gusto ko gusto kong lumaya sa ganitong situation, gusto kong marinig, gusto kong makita mo ko. So, it felt like I'm becoming a wallflower, no? The Four of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands. So, Seven of Wands kasi represents, being strategic of you not letting me, parang, strategically, I want to get out of this. Strategically, I don't want you to hold me, no, on my neck. Parang hayaan mo ako magsalita, hayaan mo ako mag-express, meron akong sariling pag-iisip, hindi ako robot, no? Parang ganon. Kasi with the Four of Pentacles, I'm keeping everything to myself. So, ang ginagawa ni person may be non-verbal communication, but you have, or someone here, needs to listen to the actions, no? Kasi, the action says everything, no? The action says, I don't like it, I don't want it, and I think that medyo dadating tayo dun sa part na baka magkaroon tayo ng issues, no? With regard to this. Kasi meron ng mga, again, retaliation, no? With the Lovers, the Hierophant, and the Four of Swords. Kung security lang ang hinahanap natin, it felt like security is here, na ibibigay, hindi dapat magdalawang isip, hindi dapat pag-isipan ng masama, walang iba. Hierophant in here is parang sinabi dito ni person, or sinabi mo, no, whoever this is, kung sino man yung binabasahan ko, I have already proven myself that I am sincere, that I, sabihin natin, I am sincere, I am genuine in this connection, I love you, no? Parang sinasabi dito ni person with the Four of Swords, chill, no? Wala ka nang dapat ipag-alala, wala ka nang dapat isipin, dahil whatever is happening, I'm already yours. And parang gusto niya sabihin, secure ka na eh. Wag, parang dito pa ba tayo magkakasira? Dito pa ba, dahil ba sa sobrang higpit, dito pa ba ako maiinis? Baka ito pa ang maging mitya, no, ng ating separation. Chances are, no, parang yung minsan kasi ang relasyon, wala na sa outside factor, no? Minsan, I think that this is becoming a self-sabotage, no? Self-saboteur, no? Itong nangyayari dito sa relationship na ito. So, this is your reading. Kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Ngayon po, kung meron kayong mga katanungan, no? Personal question regarding this reading, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. So, click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Gemini, Taurus, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Virgo. I am seeing Sagittarius. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.